The Beriev A-50 is a Soviet-built airborne early warning and control aircraft based on the Ilyushin Il-76 transport. The existence of the A-50 was revealed in 1980 by Adolf Tolkachev. Developed to replace the Tupolev Tu-126 MOS, the A-50 first flew in 1978. It entered service in 1984, with about 40 produced by 1992. Description: the mission personnel of the 15-man crew derived data from the Large Liana surveillance radar with its antenna in an over-fuselage rotordome, which has a diameter of 29 feet 9 in. The A-50 can control up to 10 fighter aircraft for either air-to-air intercept or air-to-ground attack missions. The A-50 is capable of flying for 4 hours at 1,000 kilometers from its base at a maximum takeoff weight of 190 tons. The aircraft can be refueled by Il-78 tankers. The radar Vega M is designed by MNIIP, Moscow, and produced by NPO Vega. The Vega M is capable of tracking up to 50 targets simultaneously within 230 kilometers. Large targets, like surface ships, can be tracked at a distance of 400 kilometers. After completing state joint tests, Beriev has delivered the first upgraded airborne early warning and control aircraft to the Russian Air Force. The aircraft, 47 Red/RF 92957, was handed over at Beriev's facility in Taganrog on October 31, 2011. It was accepted by an aircrew serving with the 2457th of Ibazabuvago Primnania Samolotov Dalnego Radiolokatsyonogo Obnrazania at Ivanovo 70, which is the only base using the A-50 operationally. The 2457th operates 16 aircraft. A second aircraft, 33 Red, is getting upgraded and is due for delivery in 2012. These are the only 2 production upgrades ordered to date, but Beriev anticipates further orders. Development work on the A-50U began some years ago and state tests started on September 10, 2008. Using Russian Air Force A-50-37 Red as a prototype. The main element of the modernization involves replacing the outdated analog equipment with a new, digital avionics suite supplied by Russia's Vega Radio Engineering Corporation JSC. Notable improvements include faster data processing, enhanced signal tracking, and improved target detection. Crew rest, toilet and galley facilities are also included in the upgrade. These upgrades form the basis of the concept for Beriev A-100 and C configuration will be similar to the A-50U, but with a new Vega Premier active electronically scan array radar. Variants: a 50MA Euro modernized Russian version fitted with mid-air refueling capability. A 50UA Euro updated Russian variant, Izdal I-676 a Euro 1-off stopgap telemetry and tracking aircraft. Izdal I-776 a Euro 1-off stopgap telemetry and tracking aircraft. Izdal I-976 a Euro Il-76 based range control and missile tracking platform. Initially built to support Raduga Kh-55 cruise missile tests. Has fixed radar cover filled with other equipment and glass navigator cockpit. Izdal I-1076 a Euro 1-off special mission aircraft with unknown duties. A 50IA Euro variant with an Israeli radar, designed for China but project cancelled under pressure of United States, a 50 EIA Euro with Aviad Vigat the PS-90A-76 engines, with Israeli ELW-2090 radar made for the Indian Air Force. Operators: Russia, Russian Air Force a Euro 23 TH-50 Thu in service plus 3 A-50U, Soviet Union, Soviet Air Force, Soviet Anti-Air Defense, India, Indian Air Force, No. 50 Squadron IAF, Agra Air Force Station a Euro 3 operational, RFP for 2 more Center IAI for the ELW-29 AW&C radar system to be mounted on the A-50. 1. Specifications. General characteristics: crew, 15, length, 49.59 meters, wingspan, 50.50 m, height, 14.76 m, wing area, 300 mass squared, empty weight, 75,000 kilograms, max takeoff weight, 170,000 kilograms, power plant, 4A, Soloviev D30 kp turbofan, 117, 68 kilonewtons each. Performance, maximum speed, 900 km per hour, range, 6,400 km, service ceiling, 12,000 m. See also, related development, Ilyushin Il-76 kJ-2000, comparable aircraft, E3 Century. References. External links, vectorsite.net Beriev A-50, spyflight.co.uk A Euro Beriev A-50 mainstay, Aviation RU A-50, red-stars.org A Euro A-50 mainstay, source article of NVO, Iranian AEW.